Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, I'm going to teach you how to set up WeChat Pay for foreigners. The first thing you want to do is, of course, go to the App Store because we're going to look for the application itself. So search in here if you're having an Android device. Do this process the same as it is. Just go to the Play Store, alright? So for this, I'm going to go for WeChat, perfectly right there. So this is the one I'm looking for. So basically install this one, register your foreign or international number, and then once here, you need to look for the one that says wallet. Alright? Now, if you don't know where to look for it, it should be on the lower right section. It should looking like this one. Alright? So click on the Me section right there, go to Services, and basically click on Wallet. Now, in here, in the Wallet section, you can find that there is an option to send to, and then enter the phone number to that specific blank option, and basically set it up and be using paying for WeChat Pay for foreigners. And that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one.